Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Salam alaikum. My name's Hassan, and today is the 30th of December 2022. Today, just a brief tutorial on how to use free apps through Google to translate from one language to another. In this instance, it will be Arabic to English, and more so specific, the Arabic Qur'an into English using a free app. Basic tools one's going to need is one, access to a computer, a Google account, and through your Google account you should have access to Google Sheets, and a digital copy of the Qur'an that you can copy and paste. And also 5, the Google Translate codes, which you'll find at this particular website right here. And then you've got all the codes here. Here's English, EN, and they're 2-letter codes. For Arabic, it's AR. Right? And any other language there. If you're Hebrew, if you're Polish, if you're Turkish, any of these, Yiddish, etc., etc. Any of those languages that you can find a 2-letter code. Okay. A digital copy of the Quran that you can copy and paste. Now for Google Sheets, all we're going to do is we're going to take column A and we're going to translate in column D what is in column A. And the way we do that is we click on the first row and we type in the equals value, and then we type in the following, Google Translate, which is the second tab. Then we are going to translate from A, and we're going to put comma, AR, comma, to English, comma, and we're going to close the parentheses and we're going to press enter. Once you press enter, that first line or that first row reads, "In the name of God, the Merciful." Now all we have to do to apply that rule to every other row is to grab this little blue little dot here in the corner, in the right hand bottom corner, and drag it all the way to the last verse. In this particular chapter there's 93 verses. So all we do, we've gone too far, I'll go back up, yep, there it is there, and I just let go of the left button on my mouse, and then it does its thing. And now we have the Arabic text translated to English. Now all we have to do, again depending on how deep you want to dive, is go through it word by word. This is a very good foundation for those who want to do their own translation and go through the Quran for themselves, to witness every word, every letter in the Quran for themselves. And you can do that using this particular app called Google Sheets and knowing those particular codes. So yeah, very easy to do. Now we can go through word for word and just clean up all the words. There's, this AI is not 100% efficient in relation to the translation, but it gives you a good foundation to go through it and witness every word for yourself and every letter for yourself. And for those who want a deep, even diver, you can go in and actually count the words and the letters as well in every particular chapter and verse.